everyone, so today we are in Ubud. We just finished our dinner and you know when we were inside it's so busy and then the restaurant was full house, so Damian really liked the pizza.
Hi Saya, what you have?
Pizza. Look, this place is so busy. Full house today.
Full house and it's rainy outside.
But today, we will stroll around to show you how is Ubud in current situation. So yeah, you can see that the sound of Balinese gamelan already playing. This is sound good, you know. It means like Ubud Center still have their own, what is it called, Balinese cultures. Okay guys, so it was a big raining and we were in the restaurant and now you see even it's rainy season like this, it's already started rainy season. Now what I can say that the tourists are so many in Ubud. I think that there are the two places nowadays where so many tourists, Ubud and Canggu.
It was raining recently, as we mentioned, and check this out, this little bit situation on the traffic junction. Well, this is typical another day in Ubud and another traffic in Ubud. Ubud and Canggu, as Winnie said, there are two places in Bali where recently very busy. Whenever we are trying to cross the street, it's not so easy actually.
Hi.
Yes! I don't know, somebody recognized us just right now. So happy days. But especially to compare to my last video yesterday, what I made in Legian and now in Ubud, you can see the big difference. As Ubud, like before even I go to Thailand, and now it's just busy all the time. Probably we're gonna go to Canggu to compare, but I believe Ubud and Canggu, Sayang, yeah, they are two places so busy now. Also, there is construction of the new art market in Ubud, and as you can see already, there is some problems with the walking because they, for some reason, they took also the path. So we have to walk on the street because on the other side of the street, obviously, people parking their motorbikes and stuff. A lot of fun is going on in Bali, guys. Little bit different than in Thailand. There are actually proper footpaths. But Ubud is Ubud, guys. We cannot compare both of the things, right? So recently, this is the Jalan Monkey Forest, Gelato Secrets. Most of the businesses are back. People enjoying their time. Some people enjoying their time in the restaurant. Some other people enjoying their time in the traffic jam. So there is many options to enjoy your time. However, whenever you are in Bali, you should only enjoy your time. However, sometimes you can stuck in the traffic. Meanwhile, the situation, little bit of Ubud Jalan Monkey Forest is currently 8 o'clock.
We just walk, you know, few minutes and somebody already recognized I hello. And then yeah, you see that the type of the tourists are coming in Ubud. They are mostly, dominantly are young tourists, but we can also spot some you know, a senior tourist, older tourists here. But seems like Ubud is still #1 top visit place in Bali. Whenever you come to Ubud around 7 p.m., 8 p.m., something like that, in the Ubud Center, you see that the sounds of gamelan, Balinese traditional performance, it's everywhere, you know, especially in Ubud Center, in Ubud Palace, in Ubud Balai Banjar, and also there in Ubud Temple. So nice. Okay guys, so now I was thinking to have a coffee and cake for dessert. Maybe let's go there in the famous Cafe Lotus since 1983. You see busy there, let's go.
Let's go, honey. Sayang, stop the traffic lah. We have to cross the street lah. Wave. Stop. Thank you. Okay, let's go to Cafe Lotus. I hope so they have a coffee. And seems like it's actually quite busy, Sayang.
Yeah, let's see.
Ah, that's cool, beautiful. Check this out. Oh, they have a very nice bar, by the way.
Okay guys, so it's raining and we decided to have coffee here in the Cafe Lotus. You see, it's busy, almost full house. I think in every restaurant in Ubud nowadays is, you know, full with the people, with the customers. And this one is the world famous Lotus Pond in Pura Saraswati. You see that quite many people are here. People taking picture and the lotus. It's really happy to see that where the people are enjoying their time with their family, having a dinner. It's raining outside, you know, and then the weather is a bit cold for me. And you know, we have a hot coffee with the Balinese music behind us as the back sound, and also the sound of the frog in the pond. So nice. This is maybe what the Bali vibe that you love in Ubud. Okay guys, I think that's all our video in Ubud, showing you how is Ubud in current situation, especially, you know, at night time. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Yeah.
I don't